first on our list, Sasha, is
Candidate number 2 from Barangay Bantog.
Angelica Merici Pineda. Please step forward.
Manang kakuha ng award.
Nasa edad na ako ngayon na nakaka-hypertension na yung background music na. Dapat sinusunod ko yung advice ni Sir Pico eh. Oh, so, ladies and gentlemen, up next we have our second top 10 finalist of the night. Please step forward, Barangay Karamutan! Candidate number 3.
And for our next top 10 finalists, we have candidate number 5 from Barangay Comillas.
Congratulations, Mariah Silva! Please join them. Please join them. Candidate number 6 from Dumarais.
Congratulations to Christine Joy Guillermo.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, Bayan ng La Paz, your next top 10 finalists.
Our next top 10 finalist goes to candidate number 7 from Barangay Guevara.
Ladies, Margaret de Guzman. Alright. Please join them. Candidate number
9 from Barangay La Purísima.
Lovely Annalise Maldo.
Ibara din yan. Diba? Ibara din yan.
Alright, please step forward. Ilan na lang na spots yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Please join them. Candidate number 20 from Barangay San Roque.
Congratulations to Cherise Ordones.
Ladies and gentlemen, 3 spots na lamang po ang ating tatawagin for our top 10 finalists. So, Sasha?
Our next spot goes to candidate number 18 from Barangay Rizal.
Barangay Rizal is Crijara Rodriguez. Woo! Dalawang spots na lang, Sasha, Bayan ng La Paz. We're down to our final 2 spots for tonight. So, tawagin na natin ang susunod na aabot sa ating top 10. Please step forward, candidate number 17 from Barangay Balungkol.
Congratulations to Angelica Manalo.
Angelica Manalo.
And finally, before we announce our last finalist, we would just like to congratulate all 21 candidates for making this far in this part of the competition.
Yes, thank you so much din, Sasha. Alam ko, you were able to spend some time with the candidates to practice, rehearsals, binigyan mo sila ng tips. No? So, thank you rin sa iyo pa. All 21 candidates po, panalo na sa mga mata natin, ladies and gentlemen, for all their efforts. So, ladies and gentlemen, bayan ng lapas, to cap off our top 10 finalists. Oh, kung sabihin nyo, barangay nyo to, mag-ingay kayo. Let's go! Please step forward, candidate number. Sino?
19.
Candidate number. Sino yan? Okay. Candidate number. Candidate number 19.
San Isidro.
Kay San Isidro! The real Joyce Bernardi!
Congratulations to our top 10 finalists for Binibining La Paz 2025.
Yes! And ladies and gentlemen, sa ating po mga candidates who are not able to enter
The top five
winners mamaya will be receiving a consolation prize of 3,000 pesos.
And an additional of 1,500 pesos cash prize from Mr. Alexander Pascual.
Wow! Muna ng cash prize ngayon Nasa gatong kabataan ko hindi mo pinarin ko.
Napaka-generous po talaga ang municipality ng La Paz.
Kahit question and answer lang. Kaya, anyway, sige. So, yes! Ayan, so, Sasha, we invited the handlers of our top 10 to remove muna yung kanilang mga sash at saka yung mga minor awards nila para hindi sila mabigatan tapos makapag-focus sila dun sa ating susunod na segment ng ating gabi, which is the
Question and answer portion.
Sige, so Sasha, at this point, lilipat tayo sa gitna ng stage. Ayan. Kasi, atin na silang tatanungin ng, or bubunod sila ng pangalan ng ating mga judge. Anong question? Ayan. So, hello. Ayan. Bubunod po sila ng ating mga questions mula sa bowl na i-present po sa atin. Of course, ng organizing committee led by Ma'am Colette. Thank you so much. So, uunahin natin ngayon for the question and answer ang candidate number 2 from Banto. Ayan. So, may we invite candidate number 2? Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So, candidate number 2, please pick a question. Sige. Alright. Ako na muna magbabasa, Stasha.
Yes, so our questions are tightly sealed.
Ayaw yung pabasa sa Okay. Alright, our question for today. How are you muna, candidate number 2? Kasama mo, may mga tips na tinuro sa'yo si Sasha, tandaan mo lang yan. Alright, so, ito na ang iyong question. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will be reading the question in English and Tagalog po. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, our question. Should freedom of speech ever be restricted in order to protect social harmony? Why or why not? Tagalog, dapat bang limitahan ang kalayaan sa pagsasalita upang mapanatili ang pagkakaisa sa lipunan? Bakit?
Thank you for that question. If freedom of speech is
Wala, mahina. Kabado. Kabado siya. Wala na. Umaga na. Kinabahan. Buti na lang walang nagbubo. Wala, kinabahan. Tinagalog na lang sa ano niya, no?
Alright, sige Angela, I will repeat the question, okay? So, dapat bang limitahan ang kalayaan sa pagsasalita upang mapanatili ang pagkakaisa sa lipunan?
Merong advantage sa disadvantage.
kalayaan